Beautiful attached villa with golf course views and over $90,000 in upgrades and improvements. The Cheshire floor plan has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus den, 2-car garage and comes partially furnished. Some of the many upgrades and improvements include a new pool cage, refinished pool, new pool heater, electric storm shutter for the covered area to protect your lanai furniture when you leave, updated kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances, updated bathrooms with granite, crown molding, new hot water heater, updated lighting, water softener system, plantation shutters and impact glass throughout. Cedar Hammock is a Gordon Lewis and Jed Azinger designed 18-hole championship course with more than 50% of the community dedicated to lakes, wetlands, and wildlife corridors. There are 4 heated community pools, 4 lighted Har-Tru tennis courts, clubhouse with dining at the grill room and full-service Dolphin Bar in the pool area. Cedar Hammock location is close to the beaches, the historic areas of downtown 5th Avenue and 3rd Street with shopping, dining, and theaters.